I got my hands on the new version of the smallest action camera, the Insta360 GO 3S. This camera, the size of my finger, can now shoot in 4K quality. It has a built-in AirTag, making it hard to lose and very interesting for experimental filming. In this video, I want to test how the smallest action camera can be used. First idea was to press record and give the camera to the monkeys. And then find it using the built-in AirTag. To lure the monkeys, I decided to attach the camera to the coconut.
Give to monkey. Monkey kind?
Yes.
I asked a local Balinese man to cut the coconut on the side and make a hole for the camera on the other. The Balinese man named Wayan confirmed that monkeys love coconuts and it should work. Wayan also suggested going to Green Bowl Beach, where many monkeys hang out. We securely attached the camera using the B7000 glue and strong tape. Monkeys are quite cheeky and steal anything, and they can bite too. For safety, I borrowed a slingshot from a local banana merchant. She knows how to protect her bananas. We found a group of monkeys and I carefully brought the coconut to them. Everything was going well until one monkey took the coconut into the jungle and we completely lost sight of it. After a long search, we finally found the coconut. Now we can see what the Insta360 GO 3S recorded. When I came up with this idea, I thought it would be very difficult to film, but it turned out great, and we captured unique footage without much trouble. I also decided to use a magic arm to attach the camera to a watermelon to see if monkeys like watermelon too. Yes, it turns out monkeys love watermelon.
Success! Yeah!
We moved to the beach, where I arranged with a professional surfer named Bulat. The waves in Bali are very high right now, and I'm curious to capture them. The idea is to attach the GO 3S to a surfboard. Bulat warned me that the camera might get washed away with a strong wave. But when he saw how small the camera is, he said it might just work. The risk is high, but we're here, so let's film. By the way, the GO 3S now comes in two colors, black and white. One camera went with the surfer into the ocean, and I attached the other to an FPV drone. Let's film some waves. I hope both cameras will return. In the ocean, among a lot of surfers, I found Bulat. From the drone, I could see that the camera was still on the board. I hope I can get it back. After 2 hours of waiting, Bulat returned with the camera. Yay! Mission success. I have a super powerful remote control car that works on LiPo batteries, like an FPV drone. I'm interested in filming some drift shots on the sand. We attach the GO 3S to the car. The first view from the spoiler. The GO 3S weighs about 35 grams. It's hard to believe that it can shoot in 4K quality. Only such a lightweight camera can be attached to the side of the car to capture an interesting angle with a view of the wheel. I also filmed some slow motion shots. They turned out very impressive. I also had an idea to feed monkeys with bananas using the car. We attached a bowl and fixed the GO 3S with a view of the bowl. We put in bananas and some nuts and went looking for monkeys. However, this setup didn't appeal to most of the monkeys.
Banana.
Total failure. This mission was unsuccessful. I hope the next one will work. Meet Mona. She loves playing frisbee. This is my first experience playing frisbee with a dog. Insta360 has a special harness for attaching the camera to an animal. Mona and I managed to capture some unique shots, and we were very happy with the results. I met two Muay Thai fighters, and they were happy to help me test the new camera. The camera can be attached to the chest using a magnetic mount, which makes it easy to capture first-person shots or POV shots. Also, 3S can be attached to any metal surface because its backside is magnetic. By the way, I attached the camera to the punch bag with the tape. Tape is the best mount, and I always have it with me. The new version of the camera also includes an action pod, a charging hub, and a control unit. Interestingly, the action pod works even at a distance, making it very convenient monitor to see your filming angles. Now we move to the ring. Such a lightweight camera is perfect for FPV filming. It can be attached to the smallest drone to capture 4K quality footage. thanks to the local Balinese fighters for fitting nicely into this shot. I've done a lot of POV filming with the GO 3S. The easiest way is to attach the camera to your chest. You won't feel its weight and it's not in the way. However, more stable shots can be done if you hold the camera in your mouth. One of the interesting shots I captured was when Tanya and I were playing paddle. I attached the camera to the racket, turned on slow motion filming and captured a very interesting angle. This is possible only because of the super small size and weight of the GO 3S. The GO 3S can be quickly attached to a refrigerator, a knife, or even a cat. This camera easily fits into the smallest glass and can be submerged in water. If size and weight are important for your filming, then this camera is for you. I'll leave a link to the camera on the official website in the description. Thank you friends for watching. Let me know in the comments what you think about the new camera, and see you in the next episode.